Welcome to AffairsCloud. My name is Vikas Rana. We are one-stop solution for current affairs. You can find Crack Current Affairs course on our application exclusively for current affairs, where you will get daily, weekly, monthly content on regular basis. Use the code Vikas10 and get 10% additional discount while purchasing the course. Also, students, follow us on Telegram and Instagram. The link for the same are mentioned in our description. This video has both English and Hindi. The first part is English and second part is Hindi. Timestamps are mentioned in the description below. Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all good. Students, in this video we are talking about Jordan. Jordan has recently joined the India-led global initiative, that is International Solar Alliance, CDRI, that is your Coalition for Disaster Resilient Infrastructure, and GBA, Global Biofuel Alliance. This will strengthen the strategic cooperation with India in the sector of clean energy, in climate resilience and sustainable fuel respectively. Here, each alliance, it represents a different pillar of India's global leadership in sustainability and climate resilience. As we talk about International Solar Alliance, this platform is for increased deployment of solar energy. CDRI, it is a global partnership of the national government and UN agencies that will promote resilient infrastructure. And GBA, that is your Global Biofuel Alliance, this is an initiative launched to foster the adoption of biofuels and develop global standards for biofuel trade. Jordan's entry into these groups, it highlights the strengthening of bilateral ties between India and Jordan, which recently celebrated the 75 years of diplomatic relation. Here, the trade growth between the two nations, it is expected to reach $5 billion over the next 5 years. Jordan, they remains a critical supplier of phosphate and potash fertilizers to India. Also, member to the International Solar Alliance, along with the Jordan's goal for energy diversification and solar export, is potential for the trade between the two nations. Apart from this, students, here, the membership document were formally handed over by Yusuf, Jordan's ambassador to India, and Dr. Neena Malhotra, the secretary of the Ministry of External Affairs in New Delhi. Apart from this, we just discussed for climate, Jordan's participation expands India's led clean energy diplomacy that will strengthen the Middle East engagement and reinforce India's role as a global climate leader through multilateral platforms. For International Solar Alliance, Jordan has joined this International Solar Alliance to achieve 50% electricity generation from renewable energy by 2030, gaining access to global best practices, storage technologies, and lowest risk financing. For CDRI, Jordan's participation in this supports resilience in water and transport sector, includes involvement in initiatives such as your infrastructure for resilient in island states and global infrastructure resilience survey. Then for GBA, Jordan's entry into the GBA focuses on utilizing agriculture and municipal solid waste for biofuel production to reduce dependence on imported fossil fuels. With this, we will deepen the India-Jordan ties lately. Right now, students, based on this content and various other initiatives, let's discuss some important MCQs. First, which Indian city serves as the permanent headquarters for the International Solar Alliance? Important question. The headquarters is in Gurugram, Haryana. Next, the Global Biofuel Alliance was officially launched by India during which international summit? It was during the G20 summit in New Delhi. Third question, what is the primary objective of the CDRI, that is Coalition for Disaster Resilient Infrastructure? The main aim is to ensure that the infrastructure systems can withstand climate and disaster risks. Fourth question, as of early 26, which of the following is a key target country for International Solar Alliance Solar Star initiative to build institutional capacity? It is Ethiopia. Fifth, which fuel is the primary focus of the Global Biofuel Alliance for decarbonizing the transport sector? It is sustainable aviation fuel and ethanol. Sixth question, the CDRI was first proposed by the Prime Minister of India at which global event? It was during the UN Climate Action Summit of 2019. Seventh, which of the following countries is not a founding member of the Global Biofuel Alliance? It is Russia. Eighth, what is the Towards 1000 strategy launched by the International Solar Alliance? It is aiming for 1000 gigawatt of solar capacity and $1,000 billion in investment by 2030. Next, ninth question. The CDRI's Infrastructure for Resilient Island States initiative specifically targets which group? It specifically targets small island developing states. 10th, in the context of 2026 climate diplomacy, which alliance is the most central to India's One Sun, One World, One Grid initiative? It is International Solar Alliance, headquarter of which is in Gurugram, Haryana, launched by India and France in 2015, and USA lately exited it. So these were your important current affairs, students, and the topic that we discussed, that Jordan has joined ISA, CDRI and GBA. So that's all for the day. Thank you and have a nice day.